And when we save up enough money, because we weren't earning any, we keep a few coins back from the money they gave us for food and housing. And when we saved up enough money, we used to travel to India. We would take the ferry at Rameshwaram and travel to southern India. And there was a tremendous Jewish community in Cochin, India, which from Sri Lanka, it's north and west. So we would get on the train in India and take the train due west, and it would end in Cochin, actually ended in Goa. And we visited the synagogue there for Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. And it's a Dutch synagogue. It's beautiful. The entire inside is that Delft tile, that blue and white tile. It's gorgeous. And all the bima and all the things in the synagogue were not made out of wood. They were made out of brass. And then there were the brass polishers. And there were a large contingency of southern Indians who converted to Judaism. So it was quite an experience.